na-appreciate ko siya sobrang.
Yung task niyo din, naging close kayo din. The communication was good. Like,
It was so good. It was so good. It felt really good. Like, and that moment, hindi ko naramdaman yung hirap. Kasi guys, sa totoo lang, sobrang hirap nun. Sobrang hirap nun yung ngalay. I
should may
swear,
37,000 ka.
Sa
37,000 na
Viewers?
viewers yan or share?
viewers.
Is this the biggest viewing that you have?
Grabe guys.
After the
Oo, first time.
Really?
Thank you guys. So ayun yun na, ng info about Ralph.
Uy, huwag ka na masyadong
Hindi, like yung task ba?
Wait, may question na ako. Tinanong nga nila kasi may nakita ako parang hate mo ba daw talaga si AZ?
No guys, do not spread hate, please. Cause, okay, let me tell this. I, for one, inside the house, experienced a lot. And I just wanna tell you, I'm just human. What you see on TV, kung ano yung nakikita niyo po sa ibang clips, that's probably me. You know, there's a lot of clips that would define who I am, but like, that's not completely who I am. Because sometimes as human, you feel emotions. You feel you feel like sad, you feel that you're angry, you feel happy, you feel all those emotions. And inside the house, it's small, so we're all vulnerable. Lahat po kami doon ay may mga ano na talaga. Hirap na po kami talaga dun. Kung alam nyo lang po yung hirap sa loob ng bahay. Pero at the same time, yung with AZ naman po, meron talagang times na, because we're both strong personality, na nagka-clash po talaga kami. Hindi lang nakikita sa TV, pero meron talagang times na nag-aaway kami.
Pero you hate her or not?
No, kaya nga yung away magkapatid. Alam niyo yun, yung parang at the same, away magkapatid, tas after nyan, mag-reconcile na. Parang ganun kaming dalawa. Hiraman ulit. Parang, ano kami, we're really open to forgiving each other. It's just that, nung nominations lang, medyo naging mabigat.
Okay,
nabigat.
good.
After,
and
yun
that's
lang
normal.
talaga. Yun lang
That's
talaga
normal.
na, kaya hindi ko siya in-expect. Kasi we are good. As for me, we are good. Kaya nung nomi na yun yung nahanap niya rason. Kaya,
Yung reason niya ang parang nasaktan ka dun sa reason.
Oo, pero
hindi naman sa nomination.
pero again, we all have to nominate. And it's not that I don't wanna be nominated. It's just that
The reason
hearing
was
lang.
that,
Hearing.
okay.
Kung siguro kung napag-usapan nila yun as duo and then si River ang nagsabi. Gets? Kung si River nagsabi ng reason nila, mas ano pa ako, mas okay. Pero hearing it from a friend lang. Yun lang yung nasaktan
At
ako.
saka yung reason talaga din.
Oo, yung reason.
Sige. So clear, you don't hate
I don't
AZ.
hate. Lahat,
Can you also tell, na baka yung mga followers mo may inaaway doon sa AZ?
uy, huwag kayong mag-away-away kay AZ. Guys, kasi wawa man si Baby Iza ba. Ang dami kong nakikitang hate na binibigay sa online. Although, until now, even me, I'm still like bashed for some things. But we know naman na bashers are normal, pero it's not okay. Like, it's not okay if you're not critic enough. You don't do things in a very critical way na hindi mo pinag-iisipan ba ang sasabihin mo online. I don't think it's right for us to spread hate na dahil lang sa may ginawa, ganun. May masamang tao, may mabuting tao, may ano, lahat naman ng tao grabe na parang paano naman ako yan, guys.
Elvis Presley.
Lahat na iba't iba naman tayo. Ang importante nagpakatotoo. Yan lang yun. Grabe naman.
Kung sana,
Sabi niya, babalik na daw ako ng isla. Yun lang, do not spread hate. Huwag kayo masyadong mag-hate kasi, may masasaktan dyan. Alam nyo, kahit simpleng word nyo lang, grabe, sige, gyud. Giganahan jud ka, ha? Yeah. Siyempre, konting hate nyo lang, guys, it will affect us. All of us housemates know that PBB is a good show talaga, guys. Where it's a good platform for us to, show ourselves to people, prove what we can do. But at the same time, all the housemates are all vulnerable, like they're all sensitive. So going outside, it's nice to feel loved. I'm really grateful. I'm still overwhelmed with the love. Pero if it's hate that they're gonna receive, I don't think it will be okay.
Invite mo naman sila kailan yung big night.
Kasi sa big night na, July 5. July 5.
July 5 ba? July 5 ba?
July 6?
5 ba?
Baka bawal pa nga sabihin or baka hindi
Nasabi
pa sure.
naman na post na.
Hindi pa
July
sure.
5. Bukas sinong kasama mo sa unang hirit?
Bukas! Sa mga fans ng Team Shukla! Yes! Sabay-sabay po kayong manood ng unang hirit po. Kami po ni Mom ay magsasama at dalawa lang sa pamilya de Guzman, guys, ha, ang mapapanood nyo muna. So, abangan nyo po yung mga gagawin namin na ni Ate Klang.
Saan? Sa unang hirit?
Unang hirit.
Sige na, 10:30 na.
Oo nga. Guys, I'll end the live. Again, thank you for watching. I hope I made some of you happy. And I just hope I keep on inspiring you guys. Hindi po akong titigil na maging example po sa inyo or maging good example po sa inyo. Lahat po ito gagawin ko para sa inyo and lubos po akong nagpapasalamat. Thank you dahil kilala niyo na ako bilang Shuvi. At thank you po sa lahat ng mga nagpapapicture po sa akin. Kinikilig po ako every time. Wag po talaga kayong mahiya sa akin if makita niyo ako in public. Kasi ikot-ikot lang ako guys sa mundo. Hindi ako titigil. Pero pag nakita niyo ako, wag kayong mahiya. Dahil I would love to take pictures with you guys. You guys are the reason why I am here. I love you all. Really grateful for you all.
Shoutout ka muna ng mga 10 followers. Number 1, sino? Shoutout kay...
Shoutout kay Ella.
Another 1.
Sino pa? Kai. Hello.
Kai? Okay. 3,
Rika. Hi.
4,
Abraham. Hi.
5,
Hi, Jack.
6,
Cutie Pie 05. Love you.
7,
Sino pa? Nicole. Hello. Kumusta ka dyan?
8,
Ralph V. Official. I love you so much.
wow, 9, last one.
Santos. Hello.
Okay.
And lastly, we have ang kumpleto sa Bingo IC. Sino kaya? Van.
Man.
Love you. Ravi, grabe ang dami mong binigay. Tama ka na. Tulog ka na. Charis. Good night, everybody. I hope you have a great sleep. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon. Humwa, humwa.